Imagine something so massive that our entire solar system would fit inside it, like a grain of sand in a swimming pool. Right now, floating in the cosmic ocean, there are structures so incomprehensibly large, they make Earth look like an invisible speck. We're counting down the 10 largest things in the universe. And stick around, because number 1 is so mind-shatteringly enormous that scientists still struggle to explain how it even exists. Before we dive in, smash that subscribe button and drop a comment telling us which cosmic giant blew your mind the most. Let's start with something you've probably heard of, but never truly grasped the scale of: Jupiter. This gas giant isn't just the biggest planet in our solar system, it's absolutely colossal. Jupiter has a diameter of 86,881 miles, which means you could fit 1,321 Earths inside it and still have room to spare. To put that in perspective, if Earth were the size of a grape, Jupiter would be a basketball sitting next to it. Here's the kicker: Jupiter is so massive that it doesn't actually orbit the Sun in the traditional sense. Instead, both Jupiter and the Sun orbit around a point in space between them called the barycenter. This planet is so powerful, it literally makes our star wobble. You see it every day, but have you ever really thought about how ridiculously large our Sun is? This burning ball of plasma has a diameter of 864,000 miles, about 109 times wider than Earth. If the Sun were hollow, you could cram 1.3 million Earths inside it. Every single second, the Sun converts 620 million tons of hydrogen into helium through nuclear fusion, releasing energy equivalent to 100 billion nuclear bombs. Here's something that'll make you feel small. A single particle of light created in the Sun's core takes between 10,000 and 170,000 years to reach the surface, because it keeps bouncing around inside. When that light finally escapes and reaches your eyes, it's been on an odyssey longer than all of human civilization. Now we're leaving our solar system behind and entering the realm of hypergiant stars. VY Canis Majoris is one of the largest known stars in the universe, with a radius roughly 1,420 times larger than our Sun. If you replaced our Sun with VY Canis Majoris, its surface would extend beyond Jupiter's orbit, completely swallowing Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and the asteroid belt. Imagine standing on this star. You could fit nearly 3 billion suns inside its volume. Flying around it in a commercial jet at 550 miles per hour would take you over 1,100 years to complete one lap. What's truly shocking is that this monster star is so unstable, it's literally blowing itself apart, ejecting material equivalent to 30 Earth masses every year into space. Think VY Canis Majoris was big. Meet Stephenson 218, potentially the largest known star in the entire universe. This red supergiant has an estimated radius 2,150 times that of our Sun. If you placed this cosmic behemoth at the center of our solar system, its surface would reach nearly to Saturn's orbit, 1.5 billion miles from the center. The sheer volume is incomprehensible. You could fit 10 quadrillion Earths inside it. That's 10 billion Earths. Light itself, traveling at 186,000 miles per second, would take 8.7 hours just to circle this star once. Here's the mind-bending part. Despite being so massive, Stephenson 218 is only about 20 times the mass of our Sun, because it's so diffuse and puffy that its outer layers are nearly a vacuum. Shifting gears from individual stars to stellar neighborhoods, Omega Centauri is the largest globular cluster orbiting our Milky Way galaxy. This dense sphere of ancient stars contains approximately 10 million stars packed into a region about 150 light-years across. To put that in perspective, if Earth were located in the center of Omega Centauri, the night sky would contain 10,000 stars, brighter than Sirius, our brightest nighttime star. You'd never experience true darkness. The cluster has a total mass of about 4 million times that of our Sun, and is roughly 12 billion years old, making it nearly as old as the universe itself. The shocking twist? Recent evidence suggests Omega Centauri isn't actually a globular cluster at all, but the remaining core of a dwarf galaxy that our Milky Way cannibalized billions of years ago. Home sweet home, except there's nothing sweet or small about it. Our Milky Way galaxy spans approximately 105,700 light years in diameter and contains between 200 to 400 billion stars. Let that sink in. If you counted one star per second, it would take you over 12,000 years to count them all. The galaxy has a total mass of about 1.5 trillion times that of our Sun, most of it invisible dark matter. If you could fly across the Milky Way at the speed of light, which is 5.88 trillion miles per year, it would still take you 105,700 years to cross it. Here's what really keeps astronomers up at night. Our galaxy is on a collision course with the Andromeda galaxy, and in about 4.5 billion years, they'll merge into one supergalaxy twice the size. If the Milky Way seems big, IC 1101 will absolutely shatter your sense of scale. This supergiant elliptical galaxy is the largest known galaxy in the universe, measuring approximately 6 million light-years across. That's nearly 60 times wider than our Milky Way. To match that in familiar terms, if the Milky Way were the size of a dinner plate, IC 1101 would be the size of an entire football field. This galactic monster contains roughly 100 trillion stars. That's 250 times more stars than our galaxy, and has a total mass of about 100 trillion suns. Located 1.04 billion light-years away, IC 1101 sits at the center of the Abell 2029 galaxy cluster, gravitation dominating thousands of smaller galaxies, like a cosmic emperor on a throne of starlight. Welcome to your actual cosmic address: Earth, Solar System, Milky Way, Laniakea Supercluster. Discovered in 2014, Laniakea is the gravitational basin of galactic superclusters that contains our Milky Way and about 100,000 other galaxies. This structure spans 520 million light-years across and contains the mass of 100 million billion suns. Imagine this: all those galaxies, including ours, are slowly flowing like rivers toward a region called the Great Attractor, a gravitational anomaly so massive it's pulling our entire supercluster toward it at 1.4 million miles per hour. The name Laniakea means immeasurable heaven in Hawaiian, and it's perfectly fitting. Here's the kicker: despite containing 100,000 galaxies, Laniakea is just one of millions of superclusters in the observable universe, like a single cell in an incomprehensibly vast cosmic organism. Get ready to have your mind completely liquefied. The Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall is the largest known structure in the universe, a massive galactic filament measuring approximately 10 billion light-years across. To put that in absolutely bonkers perspective, this structure is so large that light from one end, traveling at 186,000 miles per second, would take 10 billion years to reach the other end. That means this structure is about 10% of the diameter of the entire observable universe. It contains billions of galaxies arranged in a web-like pattern, like cosmic scaffolding. Here's what makes scientists uncomfortable. Structures this large shouldn't exist, according to our current understanding of cosmology. The universe isn't old enough for gravity to have assembled something this massive. Yet here it is, defying our models of how reality works. Here it is, the biggest thing that could possibly exist: the observable universe itself. This cosmic sphere centered on Earth has a diameter of 93 billion light-years, containing an estimated 2 trillion galaxies, each with hundreds of billions of stars. How is it 93 billion light-years across when the universe is only 13.8 billion years old? Because space itself has been expanding faster than light can travel through it. The total mass energy of the observable universe is estimated at 10 to the power of 53 kilograms. That's a 1 followed by 53 zeros. If you tried to count all the atoms in the observable universe, you'd need to count to 10 with 82 zeros after it. But here's the truly mind-shattering truth. the observable universe is likely just an infinitesimally tiny fraction of the total universe, which may be infinite. Everything we can see, measure, or ever hope to detect might be less than a single atom in an endless cosmic ocean we'll never fully comprehend. And here's a bonus fact that'll keep you up tonight. Because the universe is expanding, galaxies beyond about 18 billion light-years from us are receding faster than light, meaning we'll never ever be able to reach them, even if we could travel at light speed. They exist in a part of reality forever cut off from us. If that doesn't give you existential chills, nothing will. Smash that subscribe button if your brain just exploded. And tell us in the comments, if you could explore any of these cosmic giants up close, which one would you choose and why?